Breathe my breath into your head. Righteous, pure, and sour with death. Here I am, just empty skin. There is no way out. There is no way in. Crucified in fractured fields of blue. All information is equally true. Feed on me, feed on me, feed on me now. Feed on me, feed on me, feed on me now. Over the plains and under the sea, follow the lines, they all lead back to me. Tunnel the mountains and cut through the skies. Cut open your belly, look into my eyes. Come to me, come to me, come to me now. Come to me, come to me, come to me now. You are not free, you are not free. You must come to me, you must come here to me. You are not free, you are not free. You must come to me, you must come to me. You must come to me, you must come here to me. You must come to me, you must come here to me. Come to me, feed on me, 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 come to me, feed on me. wonder what you are. I wonder where I am. I wonder if the water is swallowing the land. I wonder if an image is realer than the thing. I wonder if I'm singing what you're thinking me to sing. I wonder if I lost you. You were pulsing in my hand. Now the continents are shifting from the future to the past. The deeper into space, the smaller that you go. The more that you consume, the less you'll ever know. I wonder what I was. I wonder what this is. I wonder what's inside you. Does the glass conceal your bliss? No. Am I broken into pieces to be scattered in the wind? When the revelation comes, does it erase the host that lives in the body of a son that itself exists within? An ever-shrinking sphere that is contracting as we spin. I wonder how we got here. I wonder if I care. I wonder if you're breathing is stealing all the air. Breathe sign.